Good day, everyone. Again, I'm Sir Gilbert. This time, let's talk about Quarter 3, Week 1 of your module. Ano nga ba ang mga competencies natin pagdating dito sa Quarter 3, Week 1 module natin? So, the first one is you have to represent a point, line, and a plane using a concrete and pictorial models. So, that's lesson number 1. When it comes to lesson number 2, we have to illustrate subsets of a line. And the third one is to classify the different kinds of angles. Okay? So let's have lesson number 1. So we have to represent a point, a line, and a plane using a concrete and pictorial model. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, sa paligid natin, ano yung makikita natin na pwede nating sabihin as a point, a line, or a plane. So, those three mentioned terms are so-called the three undefined terms in geometry. So, the first one is called the point. So, what is a point? A point, it is so small that it can never be measured because it has no dimensions at all. So, meaning, pag walang dimension, so wala siyang width, no length, and no thickness. So, wala siyang kapal. Okay? So, all other geometric figures are made up of a collection of points. So, lahat ng geometrical figures. So, it's a set of points. A point is a pictorially modeled by a small dot and is named by a capital letter. Okay, para i-represent ang point, ito ay nire-represent natin in a capital letter. For example, this one, point A. So, basahin natin ito as point A. So, meron siyang tuldok na ganyan. Okay? So, para to represent a point. So, another one is point B. So, kaya point B tayo rito. And another one is point C. Okay? So, ganun tayo mag-represent ng point. Ngayon, balikan natin. Ano na may mga concrete models na ginagamit natin pag sinabi natin na point? Ito, no? Small seed. Okay? So, ayan. So, it represents a point. Ito, a tiny pebble. Okay? So, ano ba nga yung pebble? Mga bato na maliliit. Okay? So, grain of sand. Ayun, no? So, a sand. Yung maliliit na sand. So, it's a point. So, yun ang mga model ng isang point. Okay. Ano naman itong line? So, a line, it is a set of points extending toward opposite directions without end. So, ibig sabihin, so, meron siyang opposite directions. O, kagaya nito, no? So, opposite direction, ito ay papunta rito sa pataas. Ito naman pababa. So, kaya meron siyang two opposing arrows will mean an infinite sets of points. Okay? Kaya sabi rito, its length is endless and it has no definite width and thickness. Okay? So, wala rin siyang kapal. Pero, meron siyang length which is endless. Okay? So, this time, paano naman natin i-represent yung line? So, you can name up a line by identifying 2 points on it, such as this one, no? So, meron siyang line na sa taas. Okay, it's a symbol to represent a line. So, kaya kung basahin natin to, line AB. Okay? So, napaka-importante yan para kung walang nakalagay dyan, so, paano natin siya babasahin? So, AB lang. So, is it a line, a segment, or array, no? So, yan. Or a single lowercase letter such as M. Okay? So, pwede rin naman natin siyang i-represent as isang letter lang. Lowercase, so small letter. Kung ang point is represented by a capital letter, this time yung line naman is small letter. Mag-isa lang. Okay? Mag-isa lang. Isa lang. So, example. Ito, so point A and point B. So, tapos meron siyang dalawang two opposing arrows. So, that's a line. Okay, so that's line AB. Ito rin, no? To represent a line, so meron siyang small letter M. Okay? So, ano naman yung mga concrete models natin or pictorials na ginagamit natin to represent a line? So, a string, a wire, a curtain rods, straight path. Okay, so it's a line. So, gaya nito. So, ito yung illustration natin. A copper wire, a curtain rod. Okay, ano lang, no? So, pahaba. Okay? Ayan, so it's a line. Pero ba't magtatanong kayo, sabi opposing arrows, no? So, infinite. Okay, take note. It's also a line. Okay? So, later on, we will discuss about the subsets of a line. A plane. How about a plane? So, a plane is a flat surface that extends infinitely as long its length and width. So, meron naman tong length saka width. Pero, wala siyang thickness. Okay? So, 2 dimension lang. So, you can name a plane either with a single capital letter, or by naming at least 3 points on the plane that do not lie on a single line. Okay? Ayan, okay. So, ito yung pictorial representation natin para sa plane. So, etong point ABC, they don't lie on the same line. Kaya pwede natin siyang ipangalan sa plane. Sa kagaya ng plane ABC. Or you can name that one as plane BCA. Or CBA, plane BAC, plane ACB, CAB, plane A, or just simply a symbol for a plane, so it's a rectangle, P. Okay? So, ayan, ha? So, ang plane ay pwede natin i-represent as single capital letter. Pag small letter naman, so it's a line. Okay? So, it's a line. Okay, so, ito naman yung mga example natin, o yung models of a plane. Okay? So, a sheet of paper. Okay, so, it's a plane. A blackboard. Okay, it's a plane. No? There's a length, a width. Okay, so top of a table. Ito lang, no? So top of a table. So it's a plane. Okay, so that's all about how we'll represent a point, line, plane using a concrete and pictorial model. So siguro sa paligid nyo, may makikita kayong mga models na pwede natin sabihin, oh, it's a point, oh, it's a line, or a plane. Okay, so madami yan. Let's have lesson number 2. So it's all about illustrating subsets of a line. Ayun, okay? So dito natin mapapatunayan na yung binabanggit natin ditong mga model, it's also a line. Okay? So it's a subset of a line. Okay? So gaya ng line segment. So line segment is a part of a line that has 2 distinct endpoints. Okay? So ang pinaka-importanting malaman natin dito, matandaan natin itong 2 distinct endpoints. Okay? Distinct meaning magkaiba. Okay? Because of these endpoints, unlike a line segment does not extend infinitely. Okay? So does not extend infinitely. Okay? So rather, it is finite. So finite, so meaning it's measurable length. So pwede nating sukatin. Okay? So let's have an example. Okay? So example natin. Okay? So ito, no? So meron tayong, it's a line. And it has a points. Points A, point B, and point C. Okay? So they lie on the same line. So line segment AB. Okay? Line segment AB, which can be written as this one. Okay? So AB and a segment on the top. Okay? So line segment BC. Okay, ito yun, no? Line segment BC. So B and C. Okay? So this one B and this one is C. So that's B and C. So that's line segment BC. Okay? So which can be written as BC and seems like a bar. Okay? A line segment. Symbol for a line segment. Okay? So it's don't be confused with the line. Symbol for a line because a line has an arrow. Okay? So it has an arrow. Okay, so ayan, no? So ito naman, wala. Okay, line segment BA. Okay, so line segment BA. Ito rin yun, oh. So AB, BA, so same line segment. Okay, so binasa lang natin siya as line segment BA and segment AB. But they are the same. So their length is the same. And they lie on the same line. So ibig sabihin, isa lang ang tinutukoy natin. Mag-line segment AB yan or BA yan, siya yun. Okay, so same thing will happen with line segment CB. Line segment CB, siya rin yung line segment BC. Okay? CB and BC. Okay? Siya rin yun. How about line segment AC? Okay? Line segment AC. So, line segment AC. Okay? So, we can also read this as line segment CA. Okay? Siya rin yun. Ito yan. Okay? Ayan. So, line segment AC and line segment CA. AC, CA. Okay? So, this time, how about array? Array is a part of a line. Again, a part of a line that has only one endpoint. So, only one endpoint. Okay? So, only one endpoint called its origin and extends. It extends infinitely in the other direction. Okay? So, meaning meron siyang isang endpoint tapos meron siyang arrow on the other side. Okay? So, you name array by its endpoint of its endpoint. You always start on the endpoint. Okay, yan. No? So, okay. So, dito tayo examples. So, ito example natin. So, ray BC. So, this one. So, ray BC, papunta ron. So, point B, tapos papunta dun sa C, then open siya ron. Okay, so, going right. Okay, so, kaya, pag sinulat natin yan, yung ray BC will be represented as this one. Isang endpoint, then going right. Okay? So, ayan. So, kakaiba siya dun sa line segment BC. Diba? So, meron siya isang endpoint, then going right. Infinite. Okay? So, infinitely in the other direction. Sinasabi nga rito. Okay? So, ray BA. Ray BA. So, kung susulat natin niya siya, ay ray BA, this one. So, B yung endpoint, then going to left. Okay? Pero pag sinulat natin siya, so that's ray BA. Okay? So, that's standard. Pag inuna natin yung B, so that means yung B is the endpoint or the origin, then going to other direction. Okay? So, kahit makikita natin dito, papunta siya sa kaliwa. Pero pag sinulat natin yan, so that's ray BA, so pag ganito. Okay? So, lagi siyang papunta sa kanan. Okay? Standard writing of a ray. So, ayan. Okay? So, ano pa? Ano pa yung ray na pwede natin sabihin dito? So, it's ray AC. Okay? So, it's ray AC. So, ray AC. Wala rito. Then, papunta rito. Okay? So, ang endpoint natin ay A. So, that's ray AC. Okay? Yan. So, ray AC. Ano pa? So, it's ray BC. Mayroon ng ray BC. Okay? So, ayan. So, ang tanong, yung ray AC ba, tsaka ray CA ay pareho lang. Okay, so ray CA is different from ray AC. Okay, kasi yung endpoint niya, it's point A, yung AC. Whereas ray CA, yung endpoint niya ay C. Papunta lang siya dun sa A. So, it's different. Okay? Ayun, so, unlike segment, pag segment AB and BA are the same. But when it comes to array, BA and AB are different rays. Okay? So, ayun. Okay? Yan. So, let's now proceed to another lesson. So, it's lesson number 3. So, different kinds of angles. Okay. An angle formed by two non-collinear rays that have a common endpoint. So, meaning, non-collinear rays, they don't lie on the same line. Rays that do not lie on the same line. So, the endpoint is the vertex of the angle, and its ray is the side of the angle. Okay? So, ayan. So let's have an illustration. So, different kinds of angles. So, acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. But it is greater than 0 degrees, but less than 90 degrees. Okay, so it's acute angle. Okay, ito. This one is an acute angle, so 18 degrees. This one is also an acute angle, greater than 0, but lesser than 90 degrees. Okay, so how about a right angle? A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, so the measure of an angle is exactly 90 degrees, then this one is called right angle. Okay. How about an angle more than 90 degrees, but less than 180? So, it's obtuse angle. Okay, kaya 135. So, ito yung angle natin. So, it's 135. So, therefore, that's obtuse angle. 93 degrees. It's more than 90 degrees. Then, it's obtuse angle. And 110 degrees. It's also an obtuse angle. Okay? Ayan. So, those are the different kinds of angles. So, balikan natin to. Sabi rito, the endpoint is the vertex of the angle and its ray is the side of the angle. Okay? So, ito yung ray natin eh. Okay? Ito yung ray. Diba? So, ito yung vertex. Ito yung ray. Ito yung ray. So, that's the ray. So, those are the side of the angle. Okay? So, this one is also the side of the angle. Then, dito. Okay. Yan, so, mahirap. Okay. So, ito rin is the side of the angle. This one is the side of the angle. And this one is the another side of the angle. Okay? So, this one is the side of the angle. It's a ray. And this is the other side of the angle. Okay? So, that's obtuse angle. So, let's now proceed with your activities. So, this time, I just want you to represent if it is the following models, a point, line, or a plane. Okay, a blackboard on your classroom, is it a point, a line, or a plane? Okay, a string of a guitar, so is it a point, a line, or a plane? So, yun lang, sasabihin nyo lang. Activity number 2, you have to name 5 line segments. Okay, so balikan nyo lang yung sample natin dito. Paano siya naging line segment? Okay, so 5. Okay, so 5 line segments. Okay, and another 5 para sa ating ray. Okay, so dito nyo na sila. And for activity number 3, you have to describe it as a 45 degrees angle. So, is it acute or a right angle? Or obtuse angle? Okay? So, tandaan nyo yung mga definition ng right, obtuse, and acute angle. Okay? So, ayun. So, huwag natin itong, okay. Dito sa check your understanding, ganun din, It is made up of infinite number of points. Is it a point, a line, a plane, a ray, a segment? Okay? So, babanggitin nyo lang. Sir, paano kung madami? O, di ilagay nyo lahat. Okay? Ayan. So, tell whether each picture illustrates an acute, right, obtuse angle. Okay, so, ayan, sasabihin nyo lang. So, post test naman natin sa right, the chosen letter on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, ganun lang. Okay, so that ends our presentation. So, that's all about quarter 3, week number 1.
Okay? So, that's it. So, sana may natutunan kayo. Okay? So, thank you for listening. So, see you next time. Thank you.